elevate your detailed design with Microstation. Yeah. So this one will be guide you to maximizing its top features. Yeah. So that means today will be the complete suit of using the Microstation. Yeah. Okay. So why I say is special because this is my first time, like I told you before. So you guys are the first person that I'm going to show all the special things for this session. Yeah. Okay. So the agenda for this productivity workshop is first import your PDF. So that means if you receive a drawing from your client, from your consultant, or from your contractor, or from your main con, that you receive a PDF drawing. So how you going to import into Microstation, and then how you going to edit and manipulating the PDF to 2D to the object and to start with Microstation design. So after that, once you have import into Microstation, and then how you're going to transform your elements of your 2D design into 3D models. Yeah. So not only that, so after when you have a 3D model, so how you're going to extract your 3D model into a shop drawing or 2D detailing. Yep. So that is called extract your model, 3D models to your 2D section. Okay, either we call it in Microstation sheet models, or you call it in other CAD application, call it paper space. Yep. Okay, I think most of all you guys, if you are CAD users, I think you are very familiar with paper space. Yep. Okay, so if let's say you are Microstation the first time, you might be, oh, what is sheet model? Yep. So sheet model is a similar to paper space. Yep. So how you going to compile all your model into a shop drawing. Yep. Okay, so don't waste time on that. So example, like I mentioned to you, first you receive a PDF drawing, so I can share with you. So this is my PDF drawing. Okay, I receive from my contractor. So what I need to do is I need to import it and then manipulate this drawing design into a 3D object, something like this. And then you start to work with the 3D object to complete the solution. Yeah. Okay. So first, I receive a PDF drawing. So how you going to import and make it become active element? Yeah. Okay. So I start from Microstation here. Okay. Example. You can follow me or you can just listen to me also can. Okay. Sorry, guys. Are we start recording? Okay. Okay. So, okay. So, example now you have Microstation. You open up your drawing. Okay. 2D to 3D. Okay. A fresh, clean drawing. And how I'm going to superimpose in the PDF into Microstation. Okay. First stage. When you open up the Microstation, you can see 4 views. See. Okay. You will see 4 views when the first time you open up. Or if let's say it's existing drawing, it depends on how you set your window view. So example like now, when I open up from new, okay, when you want to import a PDF drawing, you need to import into a fresh drawing. Yep. Do not import into your existing drawing because the scale might not be compatible with your existing drawing. Yep. Okay, because this is raster. Okay, so this drawing is come from A1 drawing. Yep. Okay, so there's a dimension over there. Okay, there's a dimension over there. So how we want to work around and get the same size of this object to the actual size. Okay. So first, open up Microstation. Okay. And then you can, if you are not familiar with 4 views, you can just work with 3 views, 1 view, sorry. Okay. This is more suitable for you. Okay. You can just turn off the rest of the view and then open up with 1 view. Okay. First time, when you want to work with import to PDF to Microstation, first, you need to go to the setting first. Because by default, when you import, it's still a PDF object. You cannot do anything. So in order for you to do the editing on PDF, you need to go to these settings. Yep. First, you must go to File, Settings, Configuration. I repeat again now, one more time. I slow and slow. Yep. Okay. Go to File, Settings, Configuration, under the configuration variables. Here. Okay. So what you need to look for? Straight, simple, PDF. Okay. Okay. So once you click on PDF, you can see this ms underscore import using Adobe PDF. By default, when you click, by default, the value here is 1. Okay. You need to change the setting to 0. Edit and change it to 0. Okay. Just click here and edit to 0. Click OK. Once you set to 0, click OK. Click OK. Save. Don't forget, always in Microstation, do not forget File, Save setting. This is a very important for you guys. Okay. If you don't do save setting, so next time when you exit and open up, you need to reconfigure it again because you don't save the setting. Okay. So in Microstation, whatever setting that you set, you need to do file save setting. Do not forget this. Okay. One of the discipline you need to memorize it. Okay. So once you're done, you do the closing first. Let the Microstation refresh the configuration, and then now you can open up the same drawing again. Now, every time you open up Microstation, it will automatically save the setting. Okay. So next, how I'm going to import my PDF into Microstation, you need to go to File, Import, File, Import, Exchange file, okay, from PDF. Okay, so this is my PDF drawing just now. This one, this is the PDF drawing. Okay, double click or open. Okay, now you can see now it become active element. See, okay, it will remain the same color. Okay, whatever color it is, it will still remain as what it is. Okay. So next, sorry, yeah. So this is the title block of my A4. Yep, sorry, A4. Okay, so I just check, double confirm. I go to analyze. First, you need to check the setting first because you need to make sure that the value of this 30 to be the same exact value. Yep. Okay. First, I can check from here, analyze, measure from here to here. 300 meter, 0.03. This one's supposed to be 30. Okay. So how I'm going to set the object to the same size. Okay. So you can delete whatever you don't need first. Example, okay, like this one, I delete. You can just remove whatever you don't want first. Okay, sorry, here. This one first. Okay, and then you start to take this object first. Okay, I draw the object, rectangle. So that means from here to here 30, from here to here 60. So I draw a rectangle from here. Hold on now. I don't want this part. Wireframe first. Okay. From this point first, I draw a rectangle, sorry. Rectangle. From this point, I draw here 60. Here 30. Okay. See? Okay. 30 by 60. See how big? Because this is meter, yep. Okay. So now I need to set the object to the same size. Next step, select all, scale, 3 point. First point, second point, and to this point. Okay. So now I double confirm whether the value is the correct value or not. Analyze, measure, here to here, 30, here to here, 60. So now you get the correct scale already. Okay. So now I can delete the one that I draw the rectangle. Don't forget. Okay. So how I'm going to transform this 2D into 3D. Okay. I need to rotate the drawing view to isometric. Okay. Take note, yep. Take note. The one that you import, this is not actual 3D yet, because when you print to PDF, it become 2D isometric. Okay. So it depends on where you print. Yep. Okay. Once you print and put into the Microstation, it become 2D flat. Okay. So in this case, I don't need this. I can delete. Okay. I can just work with this because I still need the value to capture. So click and hold, click to isometric. Okay. I can show it to you how fast. It's not about the simple drawing, guys. It's not about the simple drawing. It's all about how you transform it. Okay. The settings, the tools, the correct tools. Okay. Because you cannot just simply click, 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 and then extrude it to become 3D. Okay. So you can see, although it's a simple drawing, but it makes you easier how you transform it into a 3D. Okay. So first, I need to rotate this one to isometric. Okay. I take the rotate to isometric. Okay. I select this object. Okay. And then I rotate 3 point. Okay. From this point to this point. Okay. So I need to rotate it to front side, side also can, because I need the exact axis to be stand up. Yep. Okay. You cannot use T, yeah, top, cannot, because you cannot rotate it, because it's only for top rotation only. So the only rotation you can use, the shortcut key is front or S for side. Okay. Once you get the direction correct, lock it, make it lock the axis. And then once it's okay, you lock it, accept. Okay. So now I managed to rotate the object into the isometric from top plane to isometric. So next step, you need to transform your element into a polygon, because only polygon you can extrude an object. Because if a single line is very difficult for you to extract. Okay, example like this one. So first you double confirm first. You check. See, when I move my mouse to the object, here one object, here another two object. So you need to have one object. Yep. So I need to delete. So how you need to delete the one of the element? You can go to the object here. If you don't want this one, you can right click. Right click, one time only. You will go to the next object. That is show how many element into this one into this element. Yep. So one more time, yep. How you will know that this element is duplicate? You move your mouse to the object there. You can highlight. Don't click anything first. So it shows you one. If you want to right click, it shows you another object. Okay. So I need to delete the first one. This one. Select, delete. Okay. The only problem that I need to draw is this part. Okay. So you need to transform this into become a polygon. Okay. So you use the create complex shape to join the element to become polygon. Automatic, simplify. If you can put to 0, it's better to put 0. If you put to 0.1, it's 1 micron, still okay. So you select at any element here, click, 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 click. To double confirm, use the element selection, click on the object. Now it's a polygon. Okay. So once it become polygon, it's easier for you to extrude the object. So where is the 3D tool in Microstation? So drawing is more for 2D. Modeling is more for 3D design. Okay, see, you get slab, extrude. Okay, so make it simple. I just want to extrude. Click, select the object. So what's the size? 30. So I drag 30. Okay, now it's transformed. Okay, Next. So I already got this portion. Okay. So next, I need to bring this object. Okay. So the easiest way, I go, okay, first I delete this one because I can still use this sample, this element to copy over here. So now I change it to top view. Okay. So this is the object. I need to move. Okay. You don't click anything. You just move to the object. They will highlight for you. Click. This is the one I want. So I want to go to here. I need to lock the exist. Press enter to lock. Take the center here. Okay. And then I will do the right isometric. Then you can see from this view. Okay. So I need to move again this object. Not this one. So let's say I want to select the other element. Press what? Right button. Okay. See how simple. Okay. When the first time you use the Microstation, you always difficulty using the mouse. When to select, when to click. This I see a lot of people struggling on the mouse. Me also the same. When the first time I use, because we used to one CAD application is so easy. Click, 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 click. Everything goes there. But now with Microstation, you need to follow the rules. So when you have two objects here, right click to select the other object. Okay. So confirm, then click the left button to accept. Always remember, left button is always accept. Right button is always cancel. Okay, accept. Okay, now I need to move to the top. So this elevation, I cannot move to the top because it's only from the top, either X and Y. So I need to change the rotation. Okay, I can press F, S, T. Take note, the shortcut key of this 3D is T for top, F for side, F for front, S for the side. So F and S shouldn't be any issue for me now. Okay, because I just want the Z elevation. Okay, I lock it to this portion. Okay, then I extrude. Okay, so it seems like when I try to extrude, I cannot select the object. Why? Okay, because when you import PDF to Microstation, it's still a vector. Yep. So raw element. Yep. So you need to join. Okay, although it's a closing, but it's still not joined. Yep. So you need to use Microstation to do to confirm, to join the element to become polygon. Okay, automatic, simplify, click, click, click. Until everything is no more highlighted, that is confirmed. Then you can check to double confirm, use element selection, click the object also can. So now it's a polygon. How I confident that it's polygon? When you use the extrude. See? Okay, to this portion. Okay. So if I want to change to more clearer of your rendering, you can click on this. You can change it to smooth. Okay. I can change the rendering again to illustration. Click and hold. Click and hold. I can use transparent. Okay. This one also easier for me to do for me to view the object in 3D element. Because if you use wireframe, you will make your eyes complicated. This is a simple drawing. You haven't go through complex drawing. Your eyes like make it painful. Okay. I have done so many 3D projects. So that's why my advice, you need to understand. Okay. So this part is because I cannot see, I can just use transparent. Okay, the rendering to make you easier to view the object. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to chop off this part. Okay? Chop off this part. So I draw a polyline. So from here, top, okay, here, here, and to here. Okay, so now I have an element here. So I need to cut section, cut through, to chop off this element. You can use trim, you can use fillet, but sometimes it's not perfect. Okay, so features here, cut solid. So I take the polygon and chop off the element. Okay. Done. See? So it's the technique, the one that I'm going to teach you. These are all the combination of when you do the complex drawing. Okay. Although I show you all the simple drawing, but everything of the setting on the tools is all there. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. So I need to cut this to radius. Okay. So this is diameter 30. So radius is 15. So I need to change it to wireframe because I can select the inside of this object. Okay. So next I will go to my fillet. Radius 15. Okay. Click here. Oh no, I will make it tangent edges. Okay. Okay. Make it more smoother. Okay. If you select tangent edges, this one will make it smoother. If you don't select this one, it become rough. Yeah. That means when you select, it can be dot 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 dot. Yeah. Okay. Click. Okay. So now I done this portion. Okay. So the last part, the circle here. Okay. Circle here. Okay. So I change it to wireframe, make me easier. So which view that is make me easier? Top view. Okay. So move or copy also again. Move from this center. Select the center of the circle. Lock it. Press enter to lock. Okay. You can make it to this midpoint, or can you take from this center point? Okay. I can use midpoint. Okay. And then I change it to isometric again. Okay. So next, one of the simple way, just to cut through of this hole here. So same under the features, cut solid. Both through. If you put height, that means your profile will be height. If you want to keep the profile, you can put show. Okay, because why? After when you delete the cut through, the element of the circle is still there, so you can use as a reference. But my advice is better that if it's too simple drawing, you delete off here, you hide. If too complex, let's say you are start to do all like piping, electrical cable, yes, I think you need to keep it. Okay, there's a certain stage that you need to keep to hide. At certain stage, you need to show. Okay, because sometimes when you show, you forget to delete after when you complete. Okay. Okay, so I put height, I confident. Okay, so features both cut through. Select this one and select the circle. Okay, got problem. Okay, now they cannot cut through because why? Although you see a circle, but this element have not transformed it from microstation to become a polygon. Okay, so this object is still a raw material. I say dot 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 dot. Okay, because it's a raw element come from PDF. So you need to make it smoother. Okay. So use Microstation complex shape, automatic. This one, select, see, click, click. Now it become a circle, solid circle. Okay. Now I can punch through. Select, select, select. Okay. Double confirm. Use the smooth. Okay. Smooth is always my last or confirm complete. So if you want to change your lighting, okay, here you can change your lighting. How bright? Yep. So now I can do the rotation. So use this to select at any point. Make sure you snap to the element because this is your reference guide for your rotation. Yep. Okay. So any part that I'm missing, this part, the chamfer. This part, yep. Okay, the chamfer. So right isometric, 9 by 9. So I change it to wireframe first, easier. Okay. Chamfer, 9 by 9. Okay, 9 by 9. Okay, select this one. So in 2D design, you need to click here and here in order to cut. Okay, in 2D design. But in 3D design, 3D models, you don't need to click from here to here. You just select the edges. Yep. See how simple and how fast I transform my 2D to 3D. Yep. Move before. So I think this is complete. Okay. So once you're done, complete. Okay, maybe I will just do the testing. Move this object. Move from this endpoint to this endpoint. Ah, why? Oh, maybe my length is too different. Okay, hold on. I go from the top. Okay, move example. Testing. Move from here to here. Why it's not 9? Oh, okay, I think I make it a different. Okay, hold on. How much did I cut? 9. Correct, 9. I think something is wrong. Okay, never mind. Yep. Okay, let me check from the top. Yep. Is it because of the... Okay, let me see. Yep, measure. From here, lock to here. Oh, you cannot like that. Yep, this is not 9. Yep. So that means, okay, I need to do the cutting section one more time again. Okay, maybe I repeat again. Sorry. Yep. I think because of the scale is not correct. Yep. Okay, I repeat again. Yep. Okay, never mind. Okay, you have a chance to see one more time again. Yep, I repeat again. Okay, from here, yeah, or from here. No, I think from the from here. Okay. Wait, now let me see. Yep. This is how much? 9. So that means, wait, let me see. Hold on. This is chamfer. I put it 9. Ah, distant. Okay, sorry. I make a mistake. Sorry, guys. Yep. 9 by 9. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yep. So I rotate the other side. Okay, right isometric. Okay, down this correct. Okay. Okay, so now I complete. So I delete this one. So I repeat again. Okay. So whoever just come, okay, you can see the repeat again. So now I need to draw this chamfer element here. So what I will do, I can just rotate to the top, make me easier. Move from here, lock it to here. Okay, I think now it's correct, 9 by 9. Okay. Then after that, so you must make sure that the object is at the position correctly. Yep. So I just rotate it back again to right isometric. So it's below. It's supposed to be on top here, yep, not be here. Yep. Okay. Move from here, F or S, it works. And after that, when you get the axis, lock it, press enter. So you can just place to the position. Next, extrude. So you cannot extrude. What I need to do? Complex shape, automatic. You click, click, click until the highlight is gone. So that is confirmed. So how to double confirm? Element selection. This is confirm, double confirm. Okay. Then you can do the extrude. Okay. This portion. Okay. So I need to cut. I need to draw a polygon. Yeah. You cannot use line. You must use polyline. Please smart line in Microstation. Okay. Click, 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 and then I use the cut solid through. Select the big, the solid, and then cut the path. Cut. Okay. Now, okay, radius, fillet, 15. This one, this one. Okay. And then, so I need to copy the circle into here. You just use to top first. Okay. And then you copy or move also can from this, from the center of the circle. You get the axis. Don't forget to lock it. And press enter to the center here. Okay. So once you move, so you can you can confirm first to test whether the circle is polygon or not. You can just use the cut section, cut solid. Sorry. Select this one and this one. So if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't cut for you, that means this object is not a polygon. Okay. So how to double confirm? Okay, you can just use the complex shape to change settings to set. Click. See, when you select, it's only the object. See, click, click. Now it's confirmed. Okay. Solid, true, to top, done. Okay. So you can double confirm by using the rendering, the second icon here. You can use transparent or you can use smooth. Smooth is the most confirmation of your rendering. Okay, to check. Rotate. Now I don't use isometric top. I just use rotate view, manually rotate. So you must use this option to select to the object. Make sure they snap, and then it's easy for you to do the rotation based on this point. Okay. I think now is correct. Okay. So double confirm again. Top. Move. From here to here. Okay. Yes. Okay. I think just now I make a mistake because I'm using the H9. So it's supposed to be both sides. Okay. So once you're done, you confirm ready, you can start to delete the rest of the object if it's not necessary. So you can continue the rest with your modifying. Okay. So what I need to show it to you, I need to continue. Okay. I'm going to draw something like cable from one point to another point. I might be drawing a electrical cable. I might be drawing a pipe. Okay, how you can easily transform a line to become a pipe. Okay, so example now. Okay, so we make use of this hole to join from one circle to another circle. So what I will do, I copy. Okay, okay. One more thing. Okay, one more thing. Sorry, one more thing. It seems like my object is not a group of 3D object. Okay, it's a split. See, one part by one part. So how you join it? You need to union, join. Okay, in 3D, simple union, just like group, but not similar as group, but this joining of what? Joining the two object become one single object. Okay. Okay. So now this is one single object. Okay. So what you can do now, what I need to do now, okay, I need to do to copy first this object. Okay. So from here to here is around 80. Okay. Origin. So from here to here, I put there 100. Okay. Maybe 150. 150. Okay. Okay. Because I want to join from one point to another point. How I draw a cable connected to here. Okay. So I'm going to copy another one to below here. Front. Okay. Copy. Okay. So from here, go down. Maybe I put there around 100. Okay. And then origin as a reference here to here, 150. Okay. Okay. So I will draw a joining of cable or piping center. Sorry, center of the circle. Yep. This one. Okay. I draw a line of 100. Sorry. Center. Sorry. Yep. Okay. Center. I draw a cable or maybe piping 100. Okay. Here 100. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. So here I need to go to the top. All right. Okay. Sorry, sorry. Make mistake. Okay. Too many click. First point, 100. Click. Top. Go to here. I lock it to this point. Then press stop. The direction. Go to this point. Okay. Okay. Isometric. Front. Enter. I go through. Okay. And then I put it to front. Okay. Maybe until here. Example. Okay. Front. Okay. I lock it to this point. Maybe I can just go to the top to double confirm. Go to this point. And then I go to front. Lock it to the bottom. Okay. Isometric. So now I'm going to transform my line to become cable, electrical cable, or maybe piping to from Microstation. How easy? Okay, let's see. First, okay, I need the radius first because cable or piping it cannot be 45 degrees. Yep. Okay, you must have a radius. Yep. Okay. So I just draw the radius. Normal Microstation you can use radius. Go to Microstation, general drawing. Okay, home, fillet. Okay, maybe I put there. This is around 80. Okay, around 20 radius. Okay. So high. Okay, first you need to make this element to become polyline first. Okay, because this is not a single line. It's not the polyline. So you cannot transform it to become a 3D object. Okay. So just now we use complex shape because it's a polygon. But if this is a line, you must use complex chain. Okay. Automatic. Select the first object. Click. Click. Sorry. Okay. One more time. Select to the nearest. Click here. And then just go to here. You automatically select. You don't need to worry. You automatically select the next object. Click one more time to confirm. Then select. Yep. So now it's transformed become a polyline. So I need to change it to become, I need to transform it become a piping or electrical cable. So go back to the 3D modeling, extrude. Now you're using the extrusion along a curve of custom profile. Okay. So you are not doing for triangle. Okay. You're using the circle. Okay. So maybe what I do, my diameter here is 15. So my outer diameter is 15. Okay. And then the inside, the small hole inside, the internal diameter. Okay. Maybe I just put there around half of it lah. Maybe 7.5 diameter. Okay. So like I told you, right? So normally when I do for circular, I don't hide it. Okay. Because once you transform the object become a 3D object, the profile will be gone. Yeah. Then you will have a difficulty to redraw the line again. So until you confirmation, then you will delete it. Okay. The profile, sorry, the profile show. Okay. See what happened now? I show it to you. Yep. If you put height, yep. Okay. So I transform first. Sorry. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Or you can just draw the circle first also can. Okay. Later you can do the joining also can. Okay. But not nice. Yep. There's a all element over there. So what I will do, I will use the polyline to join it. Okay. You can have a lot of ways to do the object. Yep. And then transform it. If like that, that means there's an issue. Yep. Okay. So what I need to do, I think here is a bit smaller. Yep. I need to bring it down a bit. Yep. Okay. So what I need to do, maybe I delete. Yep. Okay. Front. Okay. Maybe I move a little bit further. Okay. One more time. Okay. Isometric. Polyline. Okay. I start from the center. Okay. Maybe I draw around 100. Just give me a long one. Then here I need to join to here. Top. Press T. Lock it to this position. Press T. Go to this position. Lock it. Okay. And then isometric. Front. Lock it. Okay. And then to front view because I need to go to this point. Okay. Or you can press it to top. No, front. Sorry. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Front here. Okay. Okay. Sample only. Yeah. Here, then I use to top. Okay. Isometric. Okay. Radius. Go back to drawing. Fillet. I put maybe C10. Whether okay or not. Okay. Then I join polyline. Now can. Yep. Modeling. And then this one, extrude. Okay. Just now I mentioned to you height and not height. Yep. Okay. So first, okay. So if I say I hide, say you don't have any reference after when you delete the circle. You need to redraw back again. So to save time, okay, to save time, see the problem, I need to undo, then you go back to the starting again. Yeah. Okay. Here. So here you can put there show. Okay. I need to redraw back again. Okay, sorry. It's supposed to be 10 only. Okay. Not matching with the. Okay. The radius. Yeah. Okay. Now can 10. Okay. Polygon. This is the problem element. Okay. So I need to delete. And I need to redraw back again. Because once I try that, I know it's problem. Yeah. Okay. You need to redraw back. Okay. Okay. That means the height, the value is not correct. Okay. Hold on. Just now I just give it to the distance. So you will face this problem at one time. Yeah. Okay. First, I go to the front view. Okay. I move because it's too close. Okay. That is for testing only. Yep. Okay. So when you do the project, if you face this problem, you let me know. Yep. Okay. Log 100. Okay. Here. Top. Change the rotation to top. Okay. Go to here. This portion. Top. To this point. Too close. Isomet front view. Okay. Change it to front view. Okay. Lock it. The axis. To this point. Up. Front view. Give a little bit of gap here. Front view. Enter. Top to this position. Okay. Front view. Lock it to this position. Okay. Isometric. Okay. 10. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Then after that, I join. This one is always error. Okay. Let me see. I try one first. Yep, this part. Yep. I sometimes go through this issue. Yep. Okay, this one. Okay. Yep. Okay. So now I need to proper join this one. Okay. I go from back. Yep. Okay. So if this direction got problem, you go from the back direction. Yep. So there's always an option. Okay. So once you manage to join, that means it's successful. Yep. Okay. So the next one, we how to transform your line to become the piping or cable. So just now I showed to you, but now show, yeah. Okay. Yep. See. So once you put show, yep. So when you delete the object, maybe I move your okay. When you delete, your existing profile is still there. So at least you have you don't need to save your time from redraw back again. Okay. So next time when you join and then you want to extrude it into a piping or cable, okay, always put show. My advice when I do project, I always put show. Yep. That means this element, okay, this element will link to the profile of the object of the 3D. Yep. Okay. So when in future, when you try to extrude or transform your line to become piping or electrical cable, so my advice, the path and the profile, you keep. Okay. So next time when you delete, you still have the element here, the profile. Okay. Yep. So I can rotate this one. Center. Okay. Sorry, 2 point, not 3 point, 2 point. Select from this point or the center. Sorry, center. First, you select the object and then select the point of the option of the center. Okay. So maybe I want to change it to this direction. Okay. Maybe this one I want to rotate. Center. Maybe 45 degrees. Tap here. Okay. 45 degrees. Okay. And then this one, select center of this object to this direction. Okay. So isometric. Okay. Chris, do they can do the apa? Can they do the type in the chat? Not? Just to check. Chris, you there? Or Mark? Okay, guys, if you have any question, okay, you can type in the chat. Okay. Just want to make sure that you guys understand. Okay. If you have any question, you can just type in the chat. Okay. So if you don't, I give you 1 or 2 minutes to see whether you have any question. If later 5 minutes you don't have any question or 2 minutes, I'll continue for the next one. So this is how you transform from PDF that you receive, import into Microstation, and then transform your object from 2D to 3D. So do you guys have any question? If you have, you can click on the raise of your hand, or you can type in the chat. Okay. Let me take my drinks. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So no question. I will go to the next. Okay. Yes. Mageswari. You can type in the chat. I think you cannot. You cannot. There's mute. Yep. Only can type in the chat. I think totally cannot. I think can. You can type. Yep. You can type in the chat. I think because this team meeting is set up to mute. Yep. So the only way that we can do is type for yeah.
So
3D
we have
polyline. Yep.
yes.
Yes. Okay. So can the 3D polyline change it to 2D polyline? Okay, that is the next step. Yep. So we haven't go back because the next step we will go to your 3D to 2D. Yep. Okay. So wireframe. Okay, I just copy this one. Just make use of this example. I think what do you mean is explode. Okay, how to make it from 3D to go back to 2D polyline. Okay, so in other CAD application, okay, example like from AutoCAD is called explode. So in Microstation we call it drop. Okay, drop element. Okay, so in Microstation, the drop element you have option. Yep. Okay, but other CAD application I'm not updated to the latest version. Like example, last time I used to be a AutoCAD user. Explode is just to explode. That means you don't have any option. You can just click explode. Everything all become single element. Yep. But Microstation, that means this is a solid object. You can explode to become a surface or to wireframe. If to wireframe, that means it's totally all become single line. If to surface, that means you still can edit the 3D. Yep. Okay. Give me one more line. Yeah. Okay. So now, see, now become a surface object. Okay. So if I want to become a single element, wireframe, totally. Okay. Sorry. Text and application element. Keep the parent. No. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. Now, see, I need to take everything. Now it become single line, single line, single line, single line, single line, single line. Okay. So this option, drop element in Microstation. Am I answering your question, Mageswari? Is this what you are looking for? Ella, give me a minute, yeah. Let me settle with Mageswari. So it's under the drop option here. Drop element. You take everything, keep solid, change it to wireframe. Okay. Is this the question? My answer is correct to you, Mageswari? Is this what you're looking for? If not, I will go to the next question from Ella Romeli Silesia. Can I save a model as a template if I ever will be needed to same profile to another file? So that is called library. Okay. Yes, you can. So that means I want to save my time. So next time I can just insert in AutoCAD. We call it insert. So you save into the W block. Okay, W block. Okay, W block. That means in AutoCAD, you put W block, save it into a single file. But Microstation, you need to keep it into a cell library. Go back to drawing. Okay, cell library, cell here, cell. Okay, cell. So this is another part. Okay, so we need to keep all this library into one single library. So next time, if you want to insert, okay, example, if you want to insert, I can just click on place active cell, and then you need to download the library. Okay, so you can, if let's say you want to understand, I know you are doing project, you want to save all everything this drawing. Okay, later at the last part, I have my contact number there, so you can just WhatsApp me or you can just email me. Junaidi, I need to know more about cell library, how to create a cell library. Cell library in Microstation and cell library to another CAD is totally a bit different. Yeah. Because in Microstation, we really keep inside a library, a folder, okay, a list. So this one you can just pass it to, you can put it into the server and everyone can share it. So I just want to save my time. Okay, I just want to save my time. I just want ask one of my colleague to create all my symbol and save it into the library so everyone can share. So next time I can just double click here and insert, double click here and insert. So you no need to redraw. Save time, productivity, time consuming. Because why? Level is there, layer is there, color is there, everything is all there. We can say make it simple, uh, standard. Okay. Every project sure have a standard library. Okay. Is it correct, Ella? Am I giving the answering your question? Okay. So Megaswari, example, the 3D polyline has many vertex. Then I need to change to put 2D polyline. Then how to do it? Same. You use the explode. Yeah. They will explode it all to become single line. Yeah. See? Okay. When you say a lot of vertex, right? I put the vertex, 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 vertex. Where is it? The vertex, 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 vertex. Yep. Yep. So when you drop it, still go back to single element. Okay. Sometimes you cannot just click once. Yep. Sometimes there's a lot of element here. You need to click, 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 click until all becomes single line. Yep. It's because of all the element that you all joining from 5 element or 6 element into one. Yep. I ever encountered this. Yep. Still cannot because I think you need to put the solid into wireframe. You need to change. You need to put this complex and line string to take the option. Okay, these are the force. If you use this all this option, it will force everything all to become single element. Okay, okay. Good to hear that you all understand it. Okay, so I always like to make sure that when people attend my training or workshop, I want to make sure that they understand because it's important. Yeah. Okay, so we learn from all the hard way. Yeah. So okay, okay, done. So from PDF to Microstation, from Microstation to 3D object. So the next part, okay, the next part. So I re-import to PDF Microstation. I re-transform to 3D model. Now I receive a 3D model from my modeler or from my BIM team. They want me to cut the section into a detail, into a paper space, model space. That means we call it shop drawing. Okay. This is important also. Yep. Okay. So you can use. I think this one is too simple. So maybe I use my own model, maybe a 3D model. So how to cut a section. Okay. This one is very interesting. Okay. When the first time I see also, wow, quite nice, quite simple. Okay. Very useful. Yep. Okay. So I delete. Okay. So next 3D to 2D detail. Yep. Okay. So I open up my drawing. I receive a 3D drawing from my from BIM team or from MainCon or from some contractor. Okay. So they asked me to do the shop drawing for this 3D model. Okay. Example this one. Okay. So inside here, okay, so many things. So they want me to do the detailing and shop drawing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ready, guys? Okay. Take note. Yep. Okay. Because how easy to use in Microstation to cut section and put it into shop drawing. I see a lot of people struggling. Yep. When I visit the project, some of the project. Yep. Okay. They're struggling to cut the section. Yep. Yep. Because I have been support from for example Singapore project like TWRP, LTA project. Okay. Some of my client in Philippines also. Okay. So I have helped them. Okay. So you guys don't be shy next time. Just share with me if you have any problem. Yeah. Okay. So example. Okay. I have a 3D model. Okay. I want to compose into my shop drawing 2D details. Okay. So, okay, in Microstation, in AutoCAD or other CAD, you have paper space, model space, or layout over here at the bottom here. Okay, but Microstation by default, you don't have the default layout. You need to create manually. Okay, when my time AutoCAD, I create manually. Okay, uh, uh, but limit, what drawing limit, all these things. Okay, but now in AutoCAD is very useful, user friendly. You have 2D layout and layout. Yep. Okay, so Microstation, how to create the paper space, or in Microstation normally user like to call it sheet model. Okay, sheet model. So in AutoCAD you call it paper space. Okay, okay. First step. Okay, totally I have a 3D model here. First, I need to create the go to model. Okay, go to model, new. Okay, so I need to create. You can create design. You can create multiple model. You can create multiple drawing. You can create multiple sheet. Okay, other CAD they only can create multiple paper space. They only can create one model space. AutoCAD, one model space, multiple paper space. Okay, Microstation, multiple design, multiple drawing, multiple sheet. So you can see the whole entire project within one single file. They put everything all into one drawing. Okay, so because some of authority, hey guys, I just want to have one single file. Don't give me so many files because a lot of reference I don't know where I put. Okay, so that is some officer. Okay, that's a advantage and disadvantage. Okay, so if you guys are in that position, you will understand. Okay, I used to be that. Why you want to put into one single file? Easier to submit, and I don't lose any path of my reference. Okay, all in the one single file. Okay, so I create sheet for my paper space. I give a name of the sheet. Normally my title block is always A1. Okay, I put there A1 title block. Okay, normally in AutoCAD you never put any name. Okay, you put just leave it as layout. Okay, so for me I can create one A1 title block, A3 title block, A4 title block, A0 title block. Okay, so I can create multiple title block. Okay, so scale 1:1 scale. Okay, sheet boundary. So I want to show the border of my A1 in Microstation. Okay, without the title block. And then the size of the boundary is A1. Okay, take note. I just changed this part if for the existing user doing for project. Sheet, give a name, always full scale. They are always full scale. Okay, don't confuse because if you put different scale, then later all your title block or head wire. Yeah. So when you attach later, all become head wire. Okay, so always your title block is always full scale. Okay, then I want to show the boundary and what is the size of your title block. Okay, rest and then we click OK. So this is my show sheet boundary. Now I can click from here, model space, paper space. Okay, model space, paper space. Okay, similar, no different. Okay, it's just the term of the name. Okay, they want to make it nicer name, sheet, paper, okay, layout. Okay, and actually it's all the same. In the end of the day, what I want is what you need to produce. Okay, okay, so this is where you to create model or paper. Where? Over here, yeah. Okay. Next, after I have my layout, what I need to show? My title block. So I need to attach. Sorry. Now it's more on attach. Attach. Hierarchy show. Tool. Attach. Okay. Here is my A1 title block. Okay. So once I attach, make sure it's fit into my A1 size here. If your title block is small, that means your scale of your title block and your scale of your sheet layout is not matching. Okay. So I want to double confirm. I click open. Okay, default coincident, 1:1, everything okay, okay, click okay. Nicely. Yep, that is perfect. Some guys, when you attach, how come small? Maybe you must check whether your title block is small scale or your sheet border is. It's good to have the sheet border layout for you to reference it. Okay, to match. Okay, done. Next. Okay, so I create my paper space. Now I need to go back to my model. Here where you need to cut your section. Okay, first I will use from the top to bottom first. Okay, where to get the section, cut section? Over here at the second last, we call it click volume. Okay, you need to click and hold. Don't click. You need to click and hold. Click volume. Okay. So the option here, you want to cut section by clip tool. By standard, I normally use clip tool. Top to bottom, front to back, left to right. So top to bottom. Display the cut section element. Okay. Take note, display. I want to display. If you don't display later, you have to modify. Okay, maybe I will just show you to the different. So detail 3D, metric. Okay, or you can put plan elevation, up to you. Yep. For me, I will just put as detail 3D metric. Okay, here, nothing. Okay. See, I don't put display first. I click on the screen. See, after that, how you want to adjust if you don't show the setting, cut section details. Okay, so don't panic. Click one more time again here. Clear back the clip volume. Click on the screen. Okay. Then I go back again. I need to show this time. Okay, when you show the option, when you click, it will make you easy how to change the height, the width, everything, the portion, the area of your section that you want. Okay. So here, for the first time, I just want from the top to the bottom. Okay. So I have height, maybe example, put to the front, select the green color and adjust your height till where you want to cut the section. If you have the height, so how to go to the height? You can go to the end point here, the last one, end point here. You press O. Then you type the distance. What is the height that you want? Maybe I want to put it as 500. This is my 500 height. Okay, later I come back to you, my guess, sorry. Okay, so this is your height. Okay, you can just click on the green. Okay, the green is for your height. So if you have the distance option, make sure you go to the end of the point here. You press what? O. Okay, you press O to get the reference point 0. Okay, so from the 0, then you can type the distance, how many you want to type here. Where, how much you want to type. Here is 187. Okay, in the project, they will just say, the engineer will just say, cut the section from A to 100, or some of them from A to minus 100. Okay, underground. Okay, so you must know where is your reference point. If let's say, this is my reference point, you go to this point. Okay, I change it to, I think maybe endpoint here. Can I select? Okay, here. Okay. When you snap, don't forget to press O. So now this is my 0 level, the surface. Okay. Then after this, all below this are all underground. Okay. So in the project, you should know your height level. Yep. Okay. So if you don't have, you can just play with your, just for me, the temporary, just something like here. Okay. I go back to the top. Okay. I just want to focus on this table, kitchen table. Click the blue color. Make sure it is highlighted. Go to here. Click the blue color. Go to here. Click the blue color. To here. Click the blue color and go to here. So, see? So the blue color outside is for your focus area. Okay, the blue color is your focus area. Because sometimes it's too big, you cut section. Your plan is too big. Alamak, I just want this portion only. How come I cut section? How to adjust? Okay, to adjust your portion area is the blue color. Okay, the green color is only for your height. Okay, for this blue color, that means if let's say the building is tall, so high, very high, so you can adjust. Only I just want Junedi, I just want this part only. I don't want the rest. Okay, just from here, and then you cut from here to here. Okay, something like that. Okay, so once you're done, Junedi, how to go back to default lah? Don't worry. Okay, always have a key tools to go back to your default. Click and clear clip volume again. Okay. Okay. So this is your clip volume tools. Yep. Okay. So now my need to submit from top plan, front plan, and side plan. Okay, and then isometric here. So I need to put here for my isometric origin. Go to here, maybe just show the isometric drawing here. Okay, top plan, front plan, side plan. Okay. So first, one more time again, cut section. Yeah. Click volume. Don't forget to display. Select the option. I always tick from top to bottom. You select the seat. Always use metric lah. Anything choose metric. Easier for you. If not English, you do all the inches. Yeah. Okay, metric. Once you're done setting, click on the screen. They always compact. That means you know that your object, your layout is only until there. Okay. So once you're done, okay, enough. I want this part. Okay. This is the height I want. Now, how I'm going to save this? 2D details. Okay. And I want to give this one to my drafters to do the shop drawing or to do the detailing. Okay. So what you do, you right click here. Don't click, right click and hold. Okay. One more time, right click and hold. Create drawing. Okay. Give a name of this section. Okay. So I want to save into this drawing. So just create a drawing model into this drawing. Just now you're asking me what is drawing. So I'm going to create the section drawing. Okay. Into this into this file. That is drawing. Okay. Drawing and design is a bit similar. Yep. Okay. Very hardly for me to explain to you about the design and the drawing. Yep. Okay. Sometimes drawing is for more for 2D plan. Yep. For design, it can be 2D and 3D. Yep. Okay. So normally I will just use design and sheet. Okay. But for this one, when you cut section, you will create for you a drawing, additional model. Okay. So 1 is to 100. Okay. Correct. The scale is 1 to 100. Sheet model I don't want. Take out. I want to see the view first before I confirm. Open the model. After you cut the section, open the model. If you want to save it into another file, that means separated file. Click this option. Okay, so that file you can give it to your 2D design team. Okay, and this one is for me, 3D and 2D, for me to play around. Okay, if you want to give separated file for 2D shop drawing, you can click on the file name. Give the file name. What's the file name that you want to create and pass it to them. Okay, there's no more link between that and here. Okay, but here, if you save it into here, it's still linked. Yep. Okay, it's still linked. Whatever you modify, you will automatically update. Okay, so I just want to open up the model for the first time. Yes, I want to see the 2D plan. So this is the section cutting that I cut. Same, if you save it into another file, the other guy will receive something like that, similar. Okay, so confirm. So automatically, Megashwari, he will save it into here, the design. Okay, for 2D plan, cutting section. Okay, so now I have model space, I have paper space, I have section and drawing. Okay, all into one file. So I don't separate it. See, so if let's say my main con wants to see, hey, where's this section drawing? So it's inside here. You can go to the section top AF. Okay, so all within one single file. So you don't confuse when you do submission. Yep. Okay, some officer accept, some officers still don't understand the concept. Yep. So it depends on who you are communicating with them. Sometimes we need to educate the officer for the submission to tell them. So once they understand, then they will accept in the future. Okay. So I go back to here. So once I done, I clear my cutting section. Okay. I go back my paper space. Okay. So now I'm going to put my section just now that I cut into this drawing. On top here, you can see one icon here. Click, view, save, recall. The one that you cutting section, you save it here. Okay, section top AA. What you need to do next, so you don't need to attach. You can just drag and drop and put into this file. Click OK. I put it over here. I go and reset one more time. Click drag here. Okay. Okay, done. Okay. Top plan. Got it? Okay. Next, I want to show to the front elevation. From here, I want to view to here when I cut into here, inside here. Okay. You don't need to go back to your 3D model and cut section again. Yep. You don't need to go to here, cut section again. You can just continue from your section here. Okay. How I do it? So you go to your annotation. You can see here, section call out. Okay. I want to cut from here to here to view until here. Okay. So this is my section cutting. So next, I can right click and, go to here, click on this icon, create drawing. Don't need to click, just move your mouse to the object, to the section here. The icon will appear. Just move your mouse to the icon there, create drawing. So when I put there, section front AA. Okay, create model. I don't want sheet. I don't want to open up. I confident I'm creating is the correct one. Click OK. Now save it into here. Drag and drop. See? If let's say you have changed the front view to inner part, you don't need to cut section again. You just modify from here. Go inside here. Okay, and then at the attach, you can see the pencil here, update. If you cannot see clearly, I can just cut from here to here easier. Okay, click the pencil. Got it? I think the nicer one is until here, half of the door there. Okay, then click the pencil to refresh. Auto update. Yep. Okay. So this section is there. Okay. Now I want to put it from the side. I want to see until here. Until here. Okay. Section. No, don't use section anymore. Use this section call out. So from here until here, and then show until at the end. Okay. Next step, move to the object here, and then click create drawing. Now I put the section side AA. I don't want this one. I don't open. Click OK. Drag. Not this one. This one side. Drag and drop here. Okay. Easy enough, Roy. Okay. Fast or not? Okay. Simple. My sectioning. I see a lot of people are struggling. Yep. They cut section there, they cut section there, and then attach and then recut again. Okay. So I can just use the same model. I just use this kind of sectioning. Yep. Just drag and drop. So now I can just drag until put it here. So you don't need to re-sectioning, see? Update from here. See, all auto update. That's why a lot of people not familiar with Microstation. So every time they need to resection. But actually, you can just use the same model to do the Update. Yeah. Okay, and the last part, I want to put the 3D model here. Attach, tool, attach the same file, drawing composition, the 3D model. Okay, I just put there isometric, isometric, isometric. Okay, 1:25. Okay, I put there nesting, click OK, I put it here. Too big. Okay, so what I will do, I will just change. So I want to know which is the belong to the reference that I want to modify. So you must put it highlight or boundary or highlight. So you select the reference. This one, not this one, not this one, this one. Okay, I need to change the scale. 50, maybe a little bit. 100. Yep. Tool, move here to here. Okay. Update. Okay. No highlight, none. Okay. Okay. That's how the agenda for this workshop. Yeah. So I want to make sure that you understand, familiarize with Microstation, how to start from 2D, import PDF to 2D, then 2D to 3D, and then 3D to section detail. So this is the workflow that I'm going to share with you guys. You are the first user that I'll show it everything this after 20 years. Yep. Yep. That's why I say this is my special guest or user. You get the benefit to, for me to show you. Okay. I see a lot of people are struggling. That's why now I wanted to share. See the way that I create, so simple and easy. If you know how to use it, you know how the shortcut key, you know how to use the correct tools, you don't struggling in it. Okay, just now I share with you, I agree, I struggling on how to create the polyline for piping because I still face problem when I go to the site because the element that where you don't correctly join, you are struggling. Yep. Okay. Then you need to change the radius to small, 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 small because sometimes it's the radius, it effect. Sometimes it's the element that you the exact value is not correct. Yep. That is the I'm still struggling at the side project last time. Okay. But after that I encountered the issue. Yep. So that's why I share with you guys, yep, how to handle and tackle all this kind of a problem. So once you're done, okay, how to submit in the design file and how to submit in PDF. Okay. From PDF we come and to PDF is written. Okay, submit, receive in PDF, submit in PDF. Okay, so I go back to home, I go to here. So if you cannot snap using fans, press Control Shift. Okay, press Control Shift. And then I go to File, Print, to PDF. Okay, A1. Setting, my unit is correct, mm. Okay, scale is to 1. So everything is perfectly. See? Then after that, I go and print. You want color? I put it color. You want to black and white? You can put it to black and white. Wait. One thing. Do not put rasterize. Okay? Take note. If you're using Microstation when you want to print, do not click to print to rasterize. You will take times. Sometimes when you click print, it will take longer time because this one will print it to image. Okay? Take note. This is very important because sometimes you guys you just click, and then just click print. Why so slow? Actually, your Microstation so slow to print. Okay, so if you don't use the correct tools, you are struggling. Okay, you need to untick the rasterize. Okay, when you click rasterize, that means the image become the drawing become image. That's why it take time to render. Yeah. So if you put rasterize, it become an element. So very fast. See, when you refresh, it's very fast. Okay. PDF, A1, print. Put it into my desktop. Same folder, temporary. Easy for me to show it to you. Drawing composition, save. Sometimes you realize when you put rasterize, it's become very, very slow. Oh, I terbalik ya. I think correct. Yep. I never put rasterize. Yeah, correct. If you put rasterize, when you click print, very slow, very, very long. Okay. Because you will print it to image. Okay. So I share, desktop, temporary, PDF. Nah, okay. So guys, from PDF I receive and PDF I submit. So this is the way of using the correct tools in Microstation. Okay, I don't feel any issue on using Microstation. Okay, although I'm a expert in using AutoCAD, I'm expert using Microstation, expert in using SolidWorks. I use every CAD. Okay, so okay, hold on. Got a question. How to convert 3D model into PDF? 3D model into PDF. 3D model. Okay, if the 3D model come from CAD application, they print. Yes. If the paper come from scanning, totally cannot. Okay, because they cannot recognize the element is object. They will recognize that is a scanning app. So you cannot convert a 3D model. Oh, how to convert 3D model into PDF? Okay. Okay. So this is your 3D model. Okay. Simple. Simple ABC. Okay. Easy. Just click print. PDF. Nah. Here, print to 3D. Okay. Because when you print to 3D in the PDF, you can do the rotation. Okay. So let's show it to you. Yeah. So how special this? I love this print to print to 3D. Okay. So print to 3D, print, desktop, temporary. Okay, I put that 3D lah. So to differentiate between the last printing 3D. Okay. Okay. Oh, see, very fast, you see. 3D. Okay. You need to wait. I think there's an option. Yeah. That's my PDF cannot read. Yeah. There's an option, I think. Yeah, I just upgrade my this one. So you in PDF you can still see. I think hold on. Because okay, I think it's not this. I think I need to open up as Adobe. Open with Adobe. Yes. You need to open up through Adobe. Open with Adobe. Yes. Then you click option. This trust this document always. Yep. See. Okay. Over here, one good thing you can change the light. No light. Okay. You can change to daylight. You can change it to maybe white light. I cannot. Too bright. Too bright cannot see it. Maybe night light lah. No light. Okay. So you can do the rotation. Okay. Okay. Not only that. Okay. In the 3D here, you can ask if they say, "Hey, can you cut section for me in PDF?" No way. You can cut your section at the PDF here. Okay. Cut section. Okay. So you can ask them whatever you want to do. You can cut section at in PDF also. Okay. Cross section. Okay. You can put the height Z all over here. Okay. So how to clear? Click back again. Okay. So you can change the here to transparent. Okay. You can change here into solid outline. See, solid outline is more better. See, all the options here. Okay. You can turn on and off the layer also here. Okay. So because Microstation and Adobe, we are partners. We are very close. So we work together. So that's why our 3D PDF is not is a very successful to our solution. Yep, using PDF. See, okay, you can cut section here. Okay. If you have animation, you can click the animation. If you have video, yep. See, okay, click. Okay. So, Jackie, did I answer your question? How to convert the 3D model into PDF? Yes, this is the rotate PDF. Yep. So now solve your problem. So next time when you print to PDF in 3D, you just pass it to them. Whatever you want to do, you do. Yep. You want to cut section, you cut section. Okay. Last time, the cut section, I must go to Microstation, cut section, print to PDF. Correct, right? Yeah. Why this officer so troublesome must ask me to cut section to below top? Okay. Every single elevation, they ask me to cut section. Okay. So here you can do the cut section, and then there's option here. Okay. The X, Y, Z. Okay. If you're not too sure, because I cannot do over here, later struggling, because I need a lot of things you need to setting. Yep. Okay. So later struggling, until above 12 o'clock. The rest are all cannot go for lunch. Yep. Okay. If I have time, you can contact me. You can WhatsApp me. We can do together. Yep. Okay. Special case. Like that is special case. Okay. You can ask some of the user here. Okay. How nice am I? When you have a problem, I can help using through WhatsApp and email. Okay. Because although you're using Microstation, you're using Benny product, it's my responsible to make sure that you know how to use Microstation. That is my responsibility. Okay. So guys, everything okay? Any question? We have another 10 minutes or 15 minutes to close this session. If you have any question, just let me know. I'm here to help you. Okay. Can do more workshop for us coming soon. Power like you. I'm okay. Okay. Just contact me. Can I know where you from? Okay. Which company? Then I know. N103. LTA. Okay. Got it. I can help you. Yeah. Okay. After this. So, okay. Hold on. Okay. I know. Mika. Send regard to Mika. Okay. So, this is a complete showcase that I tell you, right? Special case for you guys. Yep. Okay. Because it's been 20 years, I have not been showing this solution to most of my clients. Yep. So this is the time. Yep. So at least now you know me better. You know me as a person. So you know now, see my face, Junaidi here. Okay. So now you know who am I. Okay. So after this, question and answer. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. If there's no question and answer, any question, any answer? Any answer? Any question? I need to answer. Yeah. Okay. Once I crash to 10 only, can say goodbye already. Racha team, Principia team, Lecton. Okay. You can ask me any project that you face. I think Quanta also, I've been supporting them. Okay. You can just tell them, ask them. I will help you until resolve the issue. Okay. No worry. Okay. If after this is bye-bye already, you still have my contact number. Yeah. Okay. So I would like to say thank you. Okay. So my name is Junaidi Noraini. I'm the production and this one. Okay. This is my contact number to WhatsApp. I think most of you guys know how to use WhatsApp. You can go through this WhatsApp to me. Okay. So before I left, I will pass it back to Mr. Mark Gil Soriano to okay. Wait. I am doing under utility services.